Alright, here's where we're going to install this gate. There's a little bit of ivy that we got to take care of here. I don't know, you think it needs to be replaced? Look at how good this is. It's that high quality sponge wood you can just about stick your finger through. So yeah, the new one's going to be a lot better than this. Yeah.
Why did you need a coat to the shed?
So people don't get into it.
Well, what if, like...
Yeah.
What?
There's a little bit of ivy that we got to take care of here. We'll replace these parts, this side and this side, and we'll go forward with that, see what we got. Oh yikes, we're gonna see about leaving that or taking it off. Probably take it off, but this will be exciting. Okay, check this out. We want to line up exactly where this bolt hole is to cut those counter bores and drill the through hole. So we're going to line it up right where we think we want it, up on the floor and everything. Make sure everything is centered. Take our hammer here, hold it in tight. And now we see right here exactly where that hole needs to be. Alright, now that we still have that little center point right there, now we can drill the through hole without having to worry about lining everything up again. And then just like that, we have a concentric through hole and counter bore. Just like that, lines up perfectly. Alright, so this side I think is using a ramset nail right here, straight into the side of the house. So we just got to pry that off. Alright, now that we have 3 holes in the side of the house that we're not going to fill with the fastener, I'm going to just shove a little bit of waterproof sealant in here. And this isn't anything special, it doesn't need to be UV resistant because we're going to put the piece of wood right over the top of it. Alright, we're going to attach these with Tapcons now. Got my masonry bit. We'll just put 6 of them in there. Alright, so here's what happened here. The Tapcons that I have are only like 2 inches, and they really need to be a lot longer for the 2 and the 1 3/4 board, and then also to go into the wall. So I just stuck a counterboard big enough to fit the impact driver head, and then we're going to line everything up and put it all back together again. get this gate hung. We're going to use a little bit of a spacer on the bottom just to set the gate off the ground a little bit, and then line up the hinges, and we should be good to go. Alright, you're probably wondering where the signature black shirt went. Milwaukee Tools sent this Workskin t-shirt out to test out, and I thought, what's a better day than today? It's in the 80s, pretty humid, and we're in direct sun, and we're going to test out their shirt that claims to keep you cooler. Now, it's still really hot, but it's not black t-shirt hot, and there's a couple vented panels in the back here. So it's been an overall enjoyable experience to wear this shirt as opposed to wearing the typical black t-shirt. The real test is going to be when we climb up in a tree. That always is an extremely hot type experience, wearing chaps and all that. So we'll see how it goes. But overall, I would wear this again for sure.